Good enough to take the lead, 69 points for St. Gaudens 69. As we go to our next Cowboys. We're going to Trey Wagner right here. He's on Who's Crying Now. New members. Due to our association. All right, buddy, let's do it. 4 seconds. Man, I'll tell you what, Cowboys come to ride tonight. That's 3 in a row, ladies and gentlemen. We are 3 for 3 to kick off our 2015 season. It does not get much better than this.